In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on Canva. First, open Canva. On the home page, click Create a Design and choose Presentation. This sets the right canvas size and opens the editor so you can focus on building your slides without worrying about dimensions. From here, browse the template library. You'll see options for business, educational, and creative styles, or you can start with a blank slide if you want full control. Don't worry about choosing the perfect template right away, you can change any part of it later. Click a design you like to open it, and you'll see all its pages listed on the left side. Let's customize your slides. Click any text box to edit the wording. Use the toolbar at the top to switch fonts, adjust sizes, tweak colors, and apply effects like shadows or outlines. A simple tip, keep your headings consistent and stick to 2 or 3 fonts to maintain a clean, professional look. To add media, drag and drop files into the Uploads panel, or use elements to search for photos, icons, illustrations, and even videos. You can replace an image by dragging a new one right over it, then use crop and adjust tools to fine-tune how it sits on the slide. If you're mixing icons and photos, match colors or apply a subtle filter so everything feels cohesive. For layouts, use the plus button on the left to add a new page or duplicate an existing one. When adding a page, you can pick from different layout options to keep your presentation varied but consistent. You can also drag slides up or down in the left panel to reorder them quickly. Design polish goes a long way. Change the background color from the color chip, add a photo background for impact, or apply a theme to unify fonts and colors across all slides. To create smooth flow, add transitions between slides. Simple fades or slides work best for a professional feel. Keep animations purposeful and consistent. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share to copy a link or invite collaborators with the permissions you choose. This is great for collecting feedback or co-editing in real time. Finally, download your presentation. Choose PDF for reliable sharing or printing, PNG or JPEG for individual slide images, and PPTX if you need to edit in PowerPoint later. Pick your preferred quality, then export. That's it. Thanks for watching.